then I don't stand a chance. Just keep me coming back. When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
So this is how you go ahead, apply it every day for 5 consecutive days under your eyes and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it off. And I would suggest you apply it every night before you go to bed. That way when you sleep, your eyes are relaxed, it will work better. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. If you like it, do give it a thumb up. Yeah, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for your support. I do appreciate you all. I see you all and I don't take you guys for granted. Please help me to share this video so that people can get to know about us. Thank you so much once again, and you know what, I will catch you up again on our next video. Thank you so much and bye for now.